fam, welcome back to Rochielin. Today I'm joined by Vaga, who is an alkaline therapist. He's our Jamaican version of Dr. Sebi, at least that's what I am calling him. He's really good with nutrition and healthy herbal living, and we're just gonna learn so much from him today. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for being here.
Okay, you're welcome.
Lighten up, man.
Lighten up, man.
Yeah, I'm ready to learn so much because you know my belly big. I'm kind of want it going in. You know, I want to be healthy, and I know my viewers out there are trying to live a health conscious life, so we're gonna teach them a lot today. Remember, the intention of this channel is to educate you while entertaining you, so come for some look at education right now because we're gonna learn how to be healthy and you don't want to miss that. Alright, so before we get into the video, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me at Rochielin on all social media pages, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, Vaga, thank you so much. I am just looking at all of this right here. But before we get into all of this right here, I want you to properly introduce yourself. Tell us who you are, what you do.
Alright, I'm Von Vint. I'm an alkaline therapist, not herbalist, because we have to do with the pH balance of the body. And not all herbs is natural, so we have to know what to do. So I prefer to be called an alkaline therapist. pH balance, 1,7 acid, 7 to 14 alkaline, so there where we are. Alkaline to the body.
Okay, so when you say alkaline, you mean like alkaline water?
No.
What you drink?
Your body have a balance, meaning that from 1 to 7 acid, 7 to 14 alkaline. Everything that far below 7 is man-made and an earthy and army. Over 7 is alkalinity. So that's where your body wants your body is electrical, so you want electrical food to move. You keep moving, so you want electrical food. There are many food out there is acid that give you a belly full, don't really give you any nutrition for your body.
Oh, and what kind of foods are those? What kind of foods? Give me some examples of some common foods that are just give me belly full and don't give me
Alright,
any
I'll give a few
nutrition.
food that have a high respect in Jamaica. The garlic. The garlic measure 3.20 pH scale. Very acidic.
Oh yeah?
The carrot was made in Holland. It's not natural. The wild yam and yarrow make it. The pumpkin.
Hold on. Stick out of a pin for you gone. You said the carrot was made in Holland.
Yeah.
It's not natural.
Not natural.
At all? So
It don't have a seed to replenish, so it can replenish.
So even the carrot that's in the ground with a
carrot will blind. Carrot have a lot of sugar and starch.
But we're always told that if you want good eyesight,
yeah, but they're gonna blind. They tell you that. We're gonna blind. It's not good for your body. Give us sugar and starch.
So it don't have no nutrition.
No nutrition. Just like the pumpkin. The pumpkins are mad-made. The pumpkin and the carrot will damage your liver and your kidney.
Oh yeah?
Even doctor telling people that now. So we have to stick about it. You have, instead of use pumpkin, you use the butternut squash.
But that looks like pumpkin.
Pumpkin look like it.
Pumpkin looks like it, alright.
Yeah, so we have to stay over the pH balance. We have to get God food then.
You were about to say yam. What about the yam?
The wild yam. Renter yam that go wild. We recommend that yam. We don't recommend any more yam.
The wild
yam.
Yam. That's the white or the yellow?
Wild. Renter yam.
Renter is what color? I know we have two different colors.
It's kind of white. You will know it. We don't have any know on spot to show you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and just like the oranges, the sour orange and the silver orange, that's good. The grapefruit is acidic, the orange is acidic, the lemon is acidic. They tell you that the lemon will turn alkaline in the body. It's acid outside, but go inside it's alkaline, but we don't know what that. Tell about the silver orange, that's what good for you, we recommend.
So basically, the acidic foods are the foods we're to avoid?
Yes.
And we're to eat more alkaline foods?
Yes.
Alright.
Exactly, that's what.
Okay, so
that's why people sick. That's why people sick. The acid food. If your body is alkaline, no sickness can come in your body.
Okay. Alright, so let's backtrack a little bit. How did you start? How did you get into this? Were you always a health conscious person?
No, I never believe in herbs. Them time that we were about 350 pounds, and my friend Ras Congo came one day to Jamaica. I got to look for him in Portmore. And I went to go in the house and see him with bushes and herbs. I'm saying, my friend gone mad. Pear bush and them thing there.
Bush.
And I said, no, man, my good friend gone mad.
Yeah.
Go check him for money for buy some KFC that night, you know.
Yeah.
Because him just come from foreign, you know. But him have a different intention. I said, nah, let me dead. Because when I come out of the car, I roll them time then. Very, very big. Near diabetes too. And then we start teach with the herbs. And the first person that he teach me to help was a lady named Miss Brown.
So Ras Congo is a known alkaline therapist.
Yes. Yeah, he's the one that teach me everything because straight up I never know nothing. He's the one that guide me. A matter of fact, when you vag away, cartel sing about all the while and people have a wrong argument and thing, you know. A policeman come one day and say, listen to me. You don't involve in them thing, but what you do helping them, stop it. I'm going to my yard, I'm stay son. I pray God in Christ, you know, to send something, what must do, and this how Congo came to me.
Oh, okay.
And then I start, I pray and it happen. That's why I love Christ and God. Ras Congo is a Rasta man, you know, it's a celestial one. But I tell you when I pray and ask her and what really happened.
So basically you were possibly going down a different road.
Yeah.
And you prayed for some kind of intervention, something to change your
life.
path.
Yeah.
And then Ras Congo just came.
I just came same time.
Same time. So your prayers are answered.
So, yes.
And it brought you down this path where you now can live a more health conscious life.
I came even morning time when I reverse prostate cancer.
Reversed prostate cancer.
Yeah.
Using
the herbs, natural herbs. Lack of zinc in your diet will cause prostate. The acupressure your prostate and your brain.
Acupressure is your prostate and your brain. Yeah.
Because your brain is ruled by potassium phosphate. Your heart is ruled by magnesium and calcium. Your blood is iron phosphate. Your bone is calcium. So 4 major things for your body need. You have to know where exactly it's at. You know, it says if diabetes is a pancreas, it's pneumonia, your lungs. So we have to know where it is.
Where it is.
Yeah.
So usually now, because I know that you offer products to persons that need this for their bodies and for whatever condition they have. But how does it work? Do they usually go to the doctor, get the diagnosis, come and tell them to try to help, or somebody comes, oh, Vaga, my head hurt me. What am I for do? How do you do it?
When you head hurt you, you know it's potassium phosphate. But I love to them go to the doctor first. Doctor have the equipment to diagnose you. All I want to do is someone go to the doctor and know what's up, and I will deal with it through God. Yeah, just like that.
So they go to the doctor
and then come to me,
tell you what they have, and then you try and correct it. And you were telling me that you have cases where persons go to the doctor, they've been living on pills for a long time, and then when they come to you, you put them onto this program, and in no time they're dieting. You need a diet. You need the right type of food. You need the right type of food. If you're not eating the food, you don't make. You need some purple onion. Leave the white onion. The purple scallion. Leave the white scallion. Oh yeah. They are all acid. The white onion and scallion are acidic.
Yeah. And you use only the bird pepper or the cayenne pepper. But the mercy of God, you can teach me so I can see so much things in front of my eyes. A lot of evidence. As the Chuck Fender come, when fix up Chuck Fender, I look for me from head to toe.
Right now is a Chris Benz. It's not no Chuck Fender no more.
Alright. everything is different. Every disease can be healed.
Yeah.
Through God herbs and the diet, the food.
Dieting is important.
You have a lot of grains out there, like the spelt, the quinoa, the kamut. Those are grains that are natural. No brown rice, no brown flour, no white rice, no white flour. Alright, you see this food now? It's if you're eating natural and alkaline and then go back to the acid food, you have constant headache. Because your body don't recognize those food again.
Wow. So tell me something, callaloo.
Alright, callaloo is good, but they prefer the wild callaloo. If someone have cancer and eat the regular callaloo, with they spray, this when they spray it, those spray chemical. You want the wild one.
Wild ones that are untouched, no fertilizer,
no fertilizer.
No nothing.
Yeah, and that build red blood cell.
Got you. And what's your take on water? Because I know they always tell us that you need to drink 8 glasses of water per day. Yada yada yada. How's water?
Water is good for your body. You need a lot of water. But you got to make sure it's alkaline, not where the machine boosts up the pH balance to reach over 7. That's not good. You want the water to be natural, alkaline,
but
natural.
How do you know what is natural?
If you can check the pH balance of it. There are many waters out here like right now really recommend the lifespan.
Okay.
But it's good if you can get your spring water.
So what should the pH balance be for water?
1 to 7 acid, 7.7 is a neutral point, 7.1 is alkaline.
So anything over 7
is good, yeah.
Alright. We're learning. Alright, so talk to me about these products that we have on the table. Talk to me about what is here. These were all made by you.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me now, this one looks nice.
This is
that just look like strong blend up.
No, this is on fleek.
This is what?
This is the on fleek. I got a song that's Alkaline sing from where I produce.
Which song?
On fleek, we love everything.
I don't know that song. No.
It's on the Money Me Look Rhythm. It have over 63 million views.
You know the stats too.
Yeah, that's what.
It's on fleek, okay.
Yeah,
so what's in this one?
They got the walnut. The walnut is good for your brain. The Brazilian nut contains zinc and selenium. So this have the sour sap and the purple sea moss. So this have all the minerals for your body.
So what would you use this one for? Who would you recommend?
I recommend somebody that even have. It's good for your body. No peanut, no cashew. They are acid, man-made. So get the walnut and the Brazilian nut.
So you shouldn't have peanut, shouldn't have cashew.
It's acid.
So you're saying this now, you'd recommend this for
everybody. To give out the minerals.
Just a daily immune booster.
Yeah, and this is the June plum. June plum give you iron.
So it's a straight June plum?
No, the June plum you have the guava, the cherry, the sea moss, all alkaline.
Okay.
This is the green juice that is good for pain.
Good for pain?
Yeah. Green juice is the thing we have to use after.
It says ingredients: wild callaloo, watercress, sea moss, romaine lettuce, Spanish needle.
Yeah.
Okay.
All alkaline.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
Because I know anything that's good for you usually tastes bad enough.
This is for the brain.
This is brain food.
Yeah.
And this has trumpet leaf rosemary cloves.
Yeah.
Okay, so rosemary is actually good for the memory.
Wild rose, yeah, exactly.
Because I've always heard that rosemary is good for memory.
Exactly.
So brain food.
But you need some other components too.
Okay.
So brain, your brain is ruled by potassium phosphate. So all the herbs is concentrated on brain is potassium phosphate.
Okay. Gotcha. And this one is?
The tamarind and the thinking toe.
This one is thinking toe, tamarind, sour sap, sea moss.
Yeah.
Sour sap?
Sour sap.
Oh. Okay, sour sap and sea moss.
Yeah. Alkaline.
Oh my gosh.
Get magnesium from the tamarind.
Okay.
This is a sex drive.
Oh Lord.
To make you stay alive.
Oh Lord, you want to stay alive? Let me tell you. It has duppy gun, trumpet leaf, and special alkaline herbs. So you know they want to have some secret ingredients, special herbs.
And this is the sky topper. This is a wine. When ladies drink this after 6, it have a special reaction.
They go on top of the sky, huh? Sky topper.
Yeah.
So this one has almond, ginger, sarsaparilla, blood whisk, chamois maca, red root, strong back, donkey weed, Shannet root. Yeah man, this sound like you're gonna go up on the sky with your cloud9.
Alright. It's a reproductive. See this one now is the main thing for the ladies. All this menstrual pain. Menstrual pain.
Cramps?
Yeah.
So me this man?
This is the one that cure it.
Oh my gosh, African tulips, dog blood, bitters, wood, dog grass. My grandma has been telling me that I need to get some dog blood.
Dog blood is good for infection, but it's not for...
Not for the pain?
Not for the complete thing.
So you know I need this, right? Because I have horrible cramps.
Alright, yeah. This and this having iron. You better need iron.
Yeah.
The iron you need is you want the wild callaloo and the frog banana.
Frog?
Banana, yeah. The regular bananas, they're all belly full. They're belly
You mean the little thumper foot?
Yeah, they have two
banana?
ones. They have the burro banana and the frog banana. They are the banana good give you iron.
Gotcha.
The rest of the bananas, Ghost Michelle, the lockout and all the bananas just belly full. I'll give us diabetes.
Oh no. Alright, am I missing anything? This one is mucus.
Oh.
CMOS, Madam Faith.
I say mucus now. If you know mucus in the body, you can't sick.
If you have no mucus in the body, you can't be sick.
Yeah, this depends on where the mucus is. You're sick. As I was telling you earlier, which part the disease come from. All disease come from mucus.
Yeah, but everything you eat helps to produce mucus, no?
No, only what's not good. Oats is it main thing that give you mucus. Oats. Is it oats?
Yeah, tell me about it because I eat a lot of
Yes, oats.
Yeah.
Make people sinus drain. That's why they have a lot of headaches and all things there. The oats.
Oh yeah?
Make a sinus drain. Fish. The fish have a lot of mucus. But the fish now we have, if you're gonna steam fish, you steam it with the CMOS to get out the mucus.
Gotcha.
So most of the food and the oats, what they say good for cholesterol, that's what gives you mucus.
So what's a good replacement for oats?
Your rye flakes.
Rye?
Rye?
R-Y-E?
Yeah.
Rye flakes? Okay.
Rye is a good thing for your body.
So where do you get rye? Where do you get that?
It's there now, but you're not looking that way. The food that good, like just like the olive oil, the coconut oil, they are not made for high temperature. They're not made to cook with.
They're not?
Yeah, coconut oil, olive oil, corona oil, all those oils are not made for high temperature.
So coconut oil, olive oil, canola oil,
yeah,
they're not made for high temperature.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
No. They're made to throw on food or salad, but not to cook with.
So what should be?
The grape seed oil, the sesame oil, the avocado oil, and the walnut oil. All those oils are made for high temperature to cook with.
Same if time is all this time I cook with coconut oil
Yeah, exactly.
But what does it do to you though? If you cook with
give a lot
coconut
of
oil?
mucus. That's why people have so much mucus on their body.
So tell me again what we should be cooking with?
Grape seed,
sesame,
avocado,
and
the walnut. Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen those in the supermarket.
They're there, but you're not looking.
We're not looking.
Yeah.
Okay. But I know that for a lot of the oils, they process them, especially the ones in the
they're
supermarket.
made for high temperature.
Yeah.
High temperature, so you have to know what up. Just like the coconuts, the native coconut is good. The rest of the coconut, the maple and all those, give you cholesterol. I'm telling you, the garlic give people joint pain.
Joint pain?
Yeah, the garlic.
But isn't it like, okay, I understand that you're saying that some of the things were basically tricked, but some of them, even though they may have a negative side, there's a positive side.
They will help you, but what the long-term effect will be. Alright, so this is two products. Alright, we talk about the East Indian and Julie mango. And you get on black yam and stringy. And you join it, you put starch in it. So you get the East Indian, but they have starch, you put starch in it now. So that's the problem. They've used two good components, and put starch in it.
And put something in it and then it becomes bad.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna be doing like something like garlic, for example, isn't it, because you're saying that garlic gives you joint pain, it's acidic, but isn't there like some level of something good inside of it?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying to you. If your blood pressure is high, it thins out your blood. Thins out the blood and bring it down. So when you constantly use that, what gonna happen after a while?
So that's okay. So this is my point then. So then basically it's everything in moderation.
No, what God made for you will never harm you.
So you're saying that if I'm supposed to do, okay, what is good overall, no matter how long you use it?
Melon with seed.
So if I eat melon every single day,
God make things for different seasons, man. Many things. You have the black, then the stringy coming, mangoes, then you have the apple, the cherry, the guava, the thing. There's a lot of foods out there to eat.
Oh, so you're saying that you shouldn't be eating it constantly, you should be eating it in the season.
God made them for season what to be eaten.
So when that season finishes, then it should go on to the next good thing.
That's what God made for you, not moderation. Human beings say moderation.
Alright, that's an interesting perspective. I've never thought about it that way before. So So for persons who want to contact you and to find you, to buy your products, to get the advice, to get the meal plan, to learn, because there's a whole host of information here that we've gotten already, and I know you have a lot more to share that, you know, you're doing a business, so we can't share everything right now.
It's
so,
a tip of the iceberg, you know?
Yeah, how do they find you? How do they contact you? Where do they, you know, how? Tell us.
Yes, on Instagram, IG, TRUELOYAL 10, True Loyal 10.
Okay, and then the contact number
is 1-876-816-4848.
Okay, and email address?
Yeah, trueloyalrecords@gmail.com.
Okay, and any walk-ins are there for call?
No, more likely somebody call me. Even Jamaica, we use the Nutsel Express
to ship out.
Ship out. We are around Spanish Town. We drive go to the person. We come in there.
So you do delivery island-wide?
Yes.
Basically. And do you ship overseas?
Yeah, ship overseas with FedEx.
Okay.
Normally take one day to America, to like England like 5 days, to Canada like 2 days.
Alright guys, so if you want it, there's the information he ships. You can get it locally if you want it, and of course reach out to him via email, via call, via Instagram if you need to get in contact with him and set up a whole plan.
This is your thing I want you to drink.
Oh my god, what is this?
This is for your whole complete body, your heart, your brain, your lungs. This is a complete cleanse.
Cleanse?
Yeah, it's named One Health.
One Health. So is it gonna send me to the toilet?
No, not yet. Let's test.
Oh my god, I'm gonna do it like a shot?
Yeah, just drink one time. Just smell, just drink.
You know, smell so wonderful, you know?
Just drink. Just don't smell, just drink.
No good things, not smell good.
Just drink, man, don't.
Alright, guys. Whew. Whew. I'm scared.
No, man.
No, I'm scared.
One drink. Oh.
I'm not taste that, but I'm taste already.
One drink and done, man.
You need.
I'm gonna give this. Look at drink this.
Is none in there?
No, none is not good. None is man-made.
None is man-made?
Yeah. Acid.
Drink up.
Oh no, wait.
Yeah.
I've tasted this before.
Alright, drink. Lock back a taste now. That's good.
Ah! Pour it in there?
No, but drink your one there.
This man?
Yeah. That's the wild.
That one tastes good.
that's the wild pawpaw. The small pawpaw is acid. The big pawpaws are natural.
Pawpaw?
Yeah, pawpaw, June plum, guava, the agave. We use as sweetener.
It tastes good. This is exactly what I needed. I'm so happy. I want to thank you for taking the time out to speak to us, to show us your products, to educate us. Now I have to go think about all the things that I've been eating that were so wrong. I need the meal plan.
I was saying on the phone, man. I said this now.
Thank you. What is now? This is reproductive medicine.
Yeah.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
I would tell us I try to reproduce.
No, you're for your menstrual pain. And leave chicken.
I'm joking.
Leave chicken.
Yeah? Chicken not good?
Chicken have too much hormones. That's why so much people have fibers.
So what about the other meats?
Them are asking about chicken and make the woman them have fibers.
Oh yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I appreciate you for
coming. Really appreciate it. Oh my god. Yep. On that note, guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video, and there's a lot more that you can learn.
One thing I'm saying. Everything might sound strange to you, but just don't knock it. Just test and prove. This is what I'm saying is like. Just test and prove. Just test and prove it for yourself.
I just want to say again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you learned a lot from this video. I come all the way at Spanish Town, De La Vega City. I only ever hear about this place in a Chronic song, in a Vibes Cartel song, and in a history book. Never been here before. I mean, at least at this part of Spanish Town. So very, very happy to have met Braga. My first time meeting him. Very happy for the knowledge. I really hope it's useful. Reach out to him if you want more of this kind of knowledge, if you want the products. Remember, he ships locally and internationally. And I say thank you so much, guys, for being here. And until next time.